Hi, in this tutorial, let's try to understand how PostgreSQL can be installed. Type PostgreSQL and we can download that from Enterprise DB. Okay, Enterprise DB website allows us to download PostgreSQL, and we have different versions of PostgreSQL for Linux, for Mac, for Windows 64 and Windows 32. We have up to 10th version, we have support of Windows 32 systems. From 11th to 15th versions, we have only support of the 64-bit operating system of Windows will only support versions from 11 to 15. So I am downloading the latest version of PostgreSQL. I have to simply click on that. Okay. Installation instructions. So connecting PostgreSQL and documentation. You can see Postgres document, tutorials, pre-training, and all this. Right. If you want to search for more information related to this, you can check for different options here like connecting to PostgreSQL and documentation, and when free training is available here. And you can see on the top that it is already downloading. Okay. Different resources related to PostgreSQL will be available. Okay. Now the executable file of PostgreSQL is downloaded. I am simply clicking on open file. So it is asking for permission. I am just giving the permissions required for installation. Now the installation process is started. Okay. Now the PostgreSQL installation is wizard or setup wizard is open. Now I have to click on next. Just keep everything default. I don't want to change installation directly. I'm just keeping it default. And no need to all select like PC admin, stack builder, command line tools. Keep it default. Just move on next. Data directory default. So here password. So you have to write down. You have generally this is uh, client based PostgreSQL. So you're not connected to server or no need to go for complex passwords. You just go for simple passwords and try to write down the password. Okay. A notebook. Try to save it so that even there will be no problem in using it in future. Generally, the port number is 5432. Here it is also 5 default. So advanced option, just leave it default. And pre-installation summary, you can see all this. All these are okay. Then just keep them default and just move on. Now the installation process started. It continues for few minutes. I'm just skipping that. So this installation will go on for a few minutes. So I'm just skipping it. Once the step is over, we'll be moving to next step. Now we are in last part of this installation process. Few seconds remaining in installation process, and this generally takes 3 to 5 minutes of time. Okay, be patient and let's wait for the complete installation and complete setup of PostgreSQL. Okay. Once the setup is done, setup has finished installing PostgreSQL on your computer, launch stack builder. So I don't want to do this. I'm just simply unclicking it and I just finished my PostgreSQL installation.